Detective Tim and the Case of the Poison Drink. The moon is bright over the city. Tim and Lily walk toward the Grand Cinema. Tim adjusts his silver-rimmed glasses and pulls his beige trench coat tight. Lily smiles, her long blonde ponytail bouncing as she walks in white sneakers. The cinema lobby is very big and bright. There are many posters on the walls. Tim looks at his brown leather shoes while waiting. Lily adjusts her red leather jacket. They are here to see a famous new horror movie. They buy popcorn and 2 sodas. Mr. Harris stands near the door. He is 55 and bald. He wears a black tuxedo and a red bow tie. He looks at his large gold ring and frowns. He seems very nervous. Tim and Lily enter Theater 4. It is very dark inside. They find their seats in the middle. Tim puts his beige trench coat on his lap. Lily sits next to him. The room is full of excited young people. In the front row, Sarah sits alone. Her pink hair glows in the dim light. She wears a yellow hoodie and many silver rings. She is looking at her phone. She does not look at the movie screen at all. Behind Tim sits Ben. He is 30 and wears a black baseball cap. He keeps looking at his silver watch. He is eating popcorn very fast. His green striped shirt is wrinkled. He looks like he is waiting for someone. The movie starts with a loud scream. The audience is quiet. Suddenly, a real scream happens in the front row. The movie stops. The lights come on. Everyone is confused. Tim stands up quickly and looks at the front. Mr. Harris is lying on the floor near the screen. He is not moving. His red bow tie is crooked. His large gold ring is missing from his hand. People start to shout and run toward the exit doors. Tim runs to the front. He looks at Mr. Harris. Lily follows him closely. She holds her gold heart necklace. Tim checks for a pulse. He is dead, Tim says. The room becomes very cold and scary. Officer Miller enters the room. He has a thick mustache and a blue uniform. He tells everyone to stay in their seats. His black boots make a loud sound on the floor. He looks at Tim and Lily suspiciously. Tim shows his detective ID. He points to the floor. There is a small purple flower near Mr. Harris. It looks very strange. Tim looks at Sarah. She is crying in her yellow hoodie. Her silver rings are shaking. Did you see anything? Tim asks Sarah. Sarah shakes her head. She says she was playing a game on her phone. She looks at her tall black boots. Tim notices a small scratch on her silver ring. Tim then looks at Ben. Ben is trying to leave. Officer Miller stops him. Ben's black baseball cap is low over his eyes. He is sweating. He says he just wanted to go to the bathroom. Lily finds something under a seat. It is a small bottle of poison. It is empty. She shows it to Tim. Tim looks at the bottle and then at Mr. Harris. The mystery is getting very deep and dangerous. The lights were off for 10 minutes, Tim says. Anyone could have moved in the dark. He looks at his silver-rimmed glasses. He is thinking very hard. He remembers the nervous look on Mr. Harris's face earlier. Tim looks at Ben's green striped shirt. There is a small wet spot on the sleeve. It smells like the poison in the bottle. Ben sees Tim looking. Suddenly, Ben pushes Officer Miller and runs toward the screen. Stop him! Lily shouts. She runs after Ben in her white sneakers. Ben is very fast, but Tim is faster. Tim throws his beige trench coat over Ben's head. Ben falls onto the red carpet. Officer Miller puts handcuffs on Ben. But Ben starts to laugh. I didn't do it alone, Ben says. Everyone is shocked. Tim looks around the room. Is there another killer in the dark theater? Suddenly, the lights go out again. There is a loud crash. When the lights come back on, Sarah is gone. Her yellow hoodie is lying on the floor. Only her black boots remain near the exit door. Tim runs to the back of the theater. He finds a secret door behind a movie poster. It leads to a dark basement. He signals to Lily to stay with the officer. Tim enters the dark basement alone. The basement is full of old movie reels. It smells like dust. Tim sees a shadow. It is Sarah. But she is not a victim. She is holding the large gold ring. Her pink hair looks like fire. "You found me," Sarah says. She is not crying now. She looks very mean. She says Mr. Harris was her secret boss. They stole money together. But Ben wanted all the money for himself tonight. Sarah moves toward Tim. She has a small knife. Tim steps back. He uses his silver-rimmed glasses to reflect a light into Sarah's eyes. Sarah is blinded for a second. She drops the knife on the floor. Lily appears behind Sarah. She uses her red leather jacket to trap Sarah's arms. Lily is very brave. Sarah tries to fight, but she cannot escape. "Good job, Lily," Tim says, breathing heavily. Officer Miller arrives in the basement. He takes Sarah and Ben away. He also finds the stolen money in a popcorn bucket. The case is finally closed. The cinema is now a crime scene. Outside, the sun is starting to rise. Tim and Lily stand on the sidewalk. Tim's beige trench coat is dirty. Lily's white sneakers are covered in dust. They are both very tired but happy. "That was a scary movie," Lily jokes. She touches her gold heart necklace. Tim smiles and adjusts his glasses. He looks at the quiet street. He knows there will be another mystery tomorrow. They walk toward a small coffee shop. The city is waking up. Tim thinks about the purple flower. He realizes there is a bigger group of criminals out there. He must be ready for them. Lily holds Tim's hand. "We make a great team," she says. Tim nods. He feels lucky to have her.